Welcome back guys. On today's video we're going to cover off what we believe to be the ultimate cab light. For regular viewers to the channel, you'll know that we already have the Solway surround in the cab part of the van, which is this item here. I will leave a link up in the top corner here for you to go and check that out if you want to know how to install them. It gives you a real professional finish and really easy to install. In front of me here I have the Solway light, designed to go in the recess above your head in the cab. Let's open the box and see what you get. And here's what you get in the box. You have the light itself, you have two shade covers to go over the LEDs, and you have a pack of 6 PZ1 screws to fix it into place. If I just turn it on its side, you'll see that there is a curve to the light itself. That's so it follows the contours of the surround in the cab. Now I'll flip the unit over, you can see that the cabling on the end here, it's just a 2-core cable that goes back into your fuse box, and then the switches themselves are built into the light. So the next section I'm going to work out how to run the cabling. So you've got the cable in here, it comes out just inside this little sort of shape here that holds it in place, and that goes up in here. Now one idea would be to take the grub out, however when you do that this wobbles a little bit, so I'm just going to put a little hole just up here for the cable to be routed through, and that will take it up inside the Solway. This is already released off, so I can get behind there and move the cable, and then I can bring it down the channel down to where the fuse box is. I've now homed out the hole, did a little bit at a time. There we go, it's just there. I've made it 5mm, just so there's enough space for the cable to go through so I can manoeuvre it once through the hole. The next bit isn't really required, but we're going to do it anyway. We're going to add some double-sided carpet tape to the back of the light, just to hold it in place, to make it off easier when it comes to putting the screws in. So the next bit to do, get the cable through the hole, and then we can offer up the light to fit it into place. Well, that looks like that one's in far enough. Just to add the others now. That's it now in place. And literally just a case of running over the front. Turn each light on individually. Just got to add on the diffusers now. See what difference they make. Don't flash the light when you're trying to put the diffuser in. Word of warning. Wow, they're bright. Okay. It's a little bit tough, but that's what you want. You want them to be a nice, snug fit. So there's one with the diffuser in. That's how bright that one is. Comparing it to the one without the diffuser. I think that spreads the light better than this one does. So let's get the other diffuser in. And there we go, fully in place. Do not look directly at the light. They're really bright. And there we go guys, that is the over cab light from Solway. Very straightforward, just a case of lining it up, putting the screws in and running your cable in. And that's the install complete. Big shout out to Solway, who were kind enough to send us a unit free of charge to include in this video. and I must admit it is a very good product, and as you can see it does light the cab up exceedingly well. I will leave links in the description below should you wish to go and pick yourself up one. If you're interested in the surround itself, I will also leave a link down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if you've got any questions or comments, please leave them below. See you in the next video.